Breaking news coming in ahead of the elections in the state of West Bengal. A meeting has happened at the residence of the Union Minister and BJP MP Sukanta Majumdar and BJP National President Nitin Nabeen also being present there at that meeting. And details of the meeting that have come about that the meeting lasted for about 3 hours. It was held yesterday and continued late in the night and focused basically on strengthening the organization and the booth level strategy when it comes to elections in the state. Detailed discussions were held on the upcoming elections. All MPs have been instructed to explain the key points of the budget to the public in their respective areas, and they've also been asked to reach out to the youth and convey that this budget is for young India. Nitin Nabeen personally meeting with the MPs and also taking their suggestions.
देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल को ड्रामा करने वाला नेतृत्व की आवश्यकता नहीं है। ठोस निर्णय वाला, पश्चिम बंगाल के लिए कुछ करने वाला नेतृत्व की आवश्यकता है। और ममता दीदी कुछ समुदाय को लेकर के उनके लिए ही काम करती है और उसके कारण जो है कुछ लोगों की तालियां तो उनको मिल जाती है, लेकिन उससे पश्चिम बंगाल की जो है तस्वीर नहीं बदलती। ये वास्तविकता है। और 2005 में जो आपदा थे आज उनके मेहमान है। और मुझे लगता है ममता दीदी अपने वोट बैंक को बचाने के चक्कर में देश की राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के साथ ये खिलवाड़ कर रही है।
Tejasri, my colleague with us. Tejasri, of course, Nitin Nabeen hitting the ground running, and they're, part of that meeting, a late night meeting with basically, the focus really is on the elections coming up in the state. Take us through what really happened during this meeting. What are we hearing?
Well, absolutely. This particular meeting was very much important. It was held yesterday at the residence of Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar under the chairmanship of BJP President Nitin Nabeen, and the meeting lasted for 3 hours. Now, two important things are about this meeting. This meeting was held just ahead of the West Bengal elections, which is very much obvious that the discussions were held on regarding the West Bengal elections, the strategy. But number two, and the most important thing, the meeting was held at a point of time when the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, is here in the national capital itself and is setting a narrative against the SIR. Now, how to counter that narrative? BJP is planning the strategy so as to they are planning to go on ground, talk to people one-on-one and explain them that how the narrative is fake that's being spread by Mamata Banerjee according to the BJP. Not just that, but also what the sources and the BJP revealed that the meeting also highlighted about how they are going to convey the message to the people of West Bengal that the policies or the or whatever the formulation is being made by the government of Mamata Banerjee, that is the TMC, they are all incorrect, they are false, and they are not for the benefit of people. So a narrative that's been said by Mamata Banerjee and the counter narrative that the BJP will be giving. So that is why yesterday the MPs from Lok Sabha and MPs from Rajya Sabha were also present, and the co-in-charges, the conveners, they all were present in the meeting. Now needs to be seen that how it actually chalks out on the ground just ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections.
Really, Tejasri, this really coming about close on the heels of the meeting that took place in Durgapur just a week back with Nitin Nabeen there present and, basically focusing on the poll-bound states strategy going forward.
Well, yes, absolutely. That particular meeting was very much important. Nitin Nabeen, being the newly elected BJP president, BJP national president, was there in the state of West Bengal, and he is seen someone who is a young leader, and that is what the focus will also be. And yesterday also in the meeting, the message was conveyed that the budget that was presented by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for the 9th consecutive time, the focus was on youth, the focus was on Gen Zs, the focus was on startups. So all these things very categorically should be conveyed to the youths, particularly of West Bengal. And there comes the BJP President Nitin Nabeen, who plays certainly a very important role in bridging the gap which perhaps was missing in the meantime.
Right, of course, and the timing of all of this, while, as you mentioned, Mamata Banerjee is here in the national capital and, of course, moving the Supreme Court in regard to the SIR exercise and also the impeachment of the CEC.
Well, Yes, absolutely. You see, Mamta Banerjee is here in the national capital for the past couple of days. And yesterday also we saw that how there was West Bengal police deployed at both the Bonga Bhavans. We did report from there. We did speak to the alleged victims of the SIR. There was a press conference that was held by Mamta Banerjee. And there was a political showdown as well a day before yesterday where Mamta Banerjee herself came outside and said that the central government is scared of her, afraid of her. And that's why they have deployed this massive security. And then in another dramatic movement, you know, we saw that the 22 police officers from West Bengal were called and they were deployed outside the Bonga Bhavan at both the Bonga Bhavans. And then today she's all set to go to the Supreme Court. A pass is also issued on her name. Now needs to be seen that when she leaves from her residence. So that's the narrative now from West Bengal to the national capital. She is trying to portray the narrative of the SIR as if something which is anti for the people of West Bengal. Not just that, but also what we are picking from our sources is it is also expected that after that she will also in the coming days will try to meet the opposition leaders of other parties so as to convince them about what's going on in the West Bengal as far as SIR is concerned. Back to you.